I just made a video about ArcoLinuxB Berry, and I forgot to check if the personal folder was there. And that's something you can do. You can add, so you can build your own ISO, change all kind of things that's on there, but also build packages, put it on their own repo, Nemesis repo as example, but also you have a folder, and in that folder you can put your packages that you've built from the AOR that are not on ArcoLinux or on Chaotix or anywhere. Build them and put them in a folder called personal, and that will be on the ISO. So that's what we've seen in previous video but not tested. So let's have a look and show you what to do then. So after installation, you have an ISO that contains something inside the folder personal, but what do you do then, right? Bye Conky, Super C, Conky is sick. So you go to the personal folder here, and these two guys, I've decided to put them there. Super O to the left, open terminal, Super P to the right, and I'm of course tiling now. And then you say sudo pacman -u install minstick. Reinstalling, okay, it was already there. Sudo pacman -u sublime text. That was not there yet. And that's what you do. Put all the stuff, images, wallpapers, icons, I don't mind, right? Anything, right? Dump everything in the folder that you've seen in the previous video, and it will be on the ISO, it will be on the future system. We are on an operating system, and it has a special kind of folder there. You can put in .configs of xfce and anything that's in .config and just copy paste over. So anything that's in here, all you need to do is Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V basically on the personal folder, build the ISO, copy paste it back. You've got all your settings back. This can be your backup as well, sort of. I see something red, let's have a look. What's red? Already an update. I've installed an older version. You see? He's smart, he knows. That's the personal folder. Use it. All right, cheers.